Okay, getting ready to start chapter 16, our last chapter. So it is all about recording, adjusting, and closing entries for a corporation. So for the most part, this is a review. We've done adjustments, we've done closing entries. It's just been a while. So we're going to start out with 16-1, which deals with recording our adjusting entries. So as we're finishing up that fiscal period, we have two kind of final sets of journal entries that are going to make changes to our general ledger account balances at the end of the fiscal period. So first, our adjusting entries, which bring account balances up to date. So remember, that's things like our supplies, prepaid insurance. Those are kind of the main ones. And then our closing entries prepare our temporary accounts for the next fiscal period. And when we focus on closing entries here, we'll kind of do a review of what temporary accounts are. So when looking at journalizing those adjusting entries, this is one of the easiest parts. All we have to do is copy the adjustment from the worksheet over into our journal. So remember, we always have our two matching accounts like prepaid insurance and insurance expense that will go together. You'll look for those matching lowercase letters that are in the adjustment column, and then just bring those exact numbers over as a debit or a credit. Just make sure you're looking in the adjustment column to bring those numbers over. So that is all there is for 16-1 notes.